ta pomo rancho kong se pama ni to ka nyu yo me le ba je and tizin ngai ke ta chinda and Dr. Bewas ta Dr. Kram thuka la tuki insekitu and ngara chiki ye and Korancho simka de and Korancho la simche kichi yo de ki de lo sum de and chikde Koran ki la kabo yo de and then dinde insa didn't
Oh, boots, no.
Today I took my kids to my sponsor, Dr. Bill and Dr. Krom, their house to visit. And they have one pet. He's 3 years old, and my grandson like the dog too. So that's it.
샴보 샴보 good job.
Did you get that picture?
Yeah.
That's the stool, so you can sit up there and talk to people. But down.
Ginger is coming. Ginger is excited.
Boots, no. Settle down. Good. This is crazy.
He wants to play with the baby.
How much does he weigh?
21 pounds.
21 pounds, yeah.
And what does Boots weigh?
80 pounds.
80 pounds.
Look like my grandson like to Boots kissing. Boot is the dog's name.
Yeah, good boy.
Such expressive eyes.
Yeah.
He was like only 40 years. Yeah. He's a 2 pound.
Yeah.
9 ounce. That's amazing.
Hi. Did you say hi? 샴보
Is that what a dog is, Sambo?
It's like,
Oh,
Pad.
Pad him. Okay.
he's trying to kiss.
Oh, Boots. Don't take it personally, Boots. It's okay. Yeah, good.
It's because he doesn't know. He hasn't had a baby around for so long.
Oh.
Yeah. So, let's see, so you can take care of him for 2 days, and what do you do for the other 3 days?
Babysitter.
Oh, you know the good babysitters there?
She's sharp. She is sharper, right?
Who's from Nepal?
She's
Oh,
she's
oh.
sharper.
Sherpa.
Sharper.
Oh,
Sherpa.
she is, wow.
She speaks Tibetan and Nepalese. So
Oh, how did you find her?
my friends.
Oh,
It's okay. He won't hurt you, Boots. Yeah. Dogs likes you and you like the doggy. Big head.
How old is he?
he's 3.
He's 3?
Yeah. And he looks older.
He's grown up now. He's soft.
Did they?
Those are my teeth. Okay.
After visiting Yolo's favorite ice cream, so Big Dipper, we are going to eat them. Even it's cold weather, we are going to.
Chef.
Taco Bay.